Okay, so a very warm welcome to class 10 in this third period. And today we are again here with a more new question paper. And in this question paper, we are going to discuss all the things which are exactly like the board pattern, recent board pattern, because it has been changed. Children, the last 10 years question paper, which I will be sharing it one by one in every alternative days or in every week, and you all are quite capable enough to do that, but still I will be sharing it with you all. That question paper is, those questions are really very, very important. What is being added in it is the value based, is the case studies have been added, and the error and omission. That there's a little bit change in the grammatical part, but grammar has not changed at all. But there's a little bit change in the grammar part. Fine. So this is what the change is, and we need to go through this particular change. Now, this question paper previously it was been divided into three parts. I have already forwarded you one link. One question paper I have already forwarded with this new pattern of question paper. So this is one of the question paper of some other school which was conducted as half yearly in that school. But here we will be conducting it in pre-board for you all exactly in the same manner. Questions won't be the same.
मैम केपीएस का है
नहीं, मैंने very clever ना, every time KPS. नहीं, not KPS. I won't be telling you the name. Okay, you all know na, my son is in KPS, so that's why you all ask me the same question again and again. Very clever. Fine. So this is a question paper. I will be forwarding you the same link in your WhatsApp group. So this is what the first, we are going to have two parts, part A and part B. Part A is completely of objective. Part B is of subjective. This pattern has been made just because of this corona period and these online classes. The pattern has been changed. So the second is, all the questions are compulsory. You need to go through all the rules and regulations given in the question paper. You may attempt any section at a time. So just try to solve one section at a time. If you are solving section B, na children, I would suggest you to complete the section B first and then go with the section part A. And if you are solving part A first, then complete that part and then go for part B. Okay, so it will help you out a lot. And all the questions has got a particular section must be attempted in the correct order. This has to be very careful. Please write the correct section, correct part, correct question number, and the correct subheading. So don't forget this. If you write wrong things, if you don't write any question number or question heading or something, if you are missing the children, mind it, mind my words, board people doesn't know you all children. We know you all, board people doesn't know you. So if you don't write, you won't be getting the marks. The whole question will be deducted. One more important point. In pre-board exam, we are going to check the papers exactly like the board pattern. So don't start crying in front of me कि ma'am मैंने तो सब लिखा था, then also you have deducted the full marks. If the question number is not there, I don't know the question number, so I will deduct the whole. I will just split, put a cut. So pre-board examinations will be exactly conducted as a board examination. Checking will be done as board examination. No leniency, no mercy. So this is the first question. If you all want to solve this, then we will solve this, or else we can go directly to the grammar part. What you all say?
ग्रामर पार्ट
Grammar part. Okay. I'm just slowly scrolling down so that you can just go through it. This type of the question paper it will be. There will be 12 questions given. 10 you have to attempt in the form of MCQ only. Children, but be very careful regarding the words are concerned. This time the language is a bit up the level of. Okay, so try to solve as many as question papers you can. I don't. One of your friend has shared one link from YouTube that is from EduCart. He is purchasing one question paper set of question papers. I will ask him to share the link once again. This is the second question.
मैम श्रेयांश चोपड़ा.
हाँ, Shreyansh Chopra.
Yes, ma'am.
So he has asked me, he has discussed with me, and that was really very good. That those example questions are really sample questions are very nice. I have asked him to share the link. You all can go with it if you wish. I too, I am also going to purchase one. Just for you all. Question number 3. This is from an extract, children. You can understand this is an extract. Okay, I'm just slowly going down. I know options are there in this extract even.
मैम ये पोयम वाला भी डिस्कस कर देते हैं.
अरे, if you all say
Yes,
I don't have any
ma'am.
problem, चलो, no problem. Shall we?
Yes, ma'am. ये पोयम के
you will do
साथ
discussion.
डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
Yes मैम कर लेते
MCQ
हैं
तो
कर लेते हैं.
जल्दी भी हो जाएगा मैम.
Okay.
हाँ मैम हो जाएगा.
चलो, no problem. First option, right? We will do both the options. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rude. So first of all, tell me, children, I'm not going with the questions now. What do we mean by rude? R-U-D.
Held in regret.
Hold and regret.
Held in regret.
Ma'am, regret.
Regret, held in regret, feeling bad, yes. Anything else?
Held in regret.
In layman's language, if I ask you, ki, what do you mean by this word?
Ma'am sorrow.
Sorrow.
Ma'am, a type of depression.
Yes.
Depression.
Feeling
A
guilty.
type.
Feeling guilty. Okay. Of some wrongdoings, feeling bad of what we did wrong or something like that. Getting me? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Poet had been feeling option
Very happy.
B.
Depressed. Very
Option
depressed.
B.
B.
Option
B.
B.
Very
Very
depressed.
depressed.
ये देख रहे हैं?
Ma'am, second was shaking down the snow, dust of snow.
Very depressed.
Yes ma'am. C.
C has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part
Option
of
C,
the day I
shaking
do.
down.
Very excited.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C is right answer.
Yes, beta, don't do one thing is very important. Don't go with so much pace and speed, because if you do this now, you will all are going to face a lot of problem, right?
मैम बट यहाँ पे हेड लिखा है तो पहले तो वो डिप्रेस्ड फील कर रहा था
मैम
पोएट.
यस मैम पहले वो डिप्रेस्ड
वही
था
तो.
फिर एक्साइटेड हुआ.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
इसके बाद फिर लिखा है ना second.
Let us read out once again.
In the poet mood.
एक second. Has given my heart a change of mood when the sprinkle of the snow fell down on the body of that poet and saved some part of a day I had rude. Means previously he was feeling very sad, very depressed, and then when the snow fell down, he was excited and having a different mood. So the question is, the poet had been feeling. Okay, had been feeling. Na, right.
And head is given.
Had is given.
Had
और
is-
मैम ये ऐसे भी सोच
correct.
सकते हैं.
Correct. You all are correct.
Option B.
Option B. Very depressed.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am second one
मैम
answer is
ऐसे भी
C.
सोच सकते हैं अगर.
Shaking down the dust of.
yes, ma'am. Second answer C.
Dust of snow.
बेटा मेरे और भी थोड़े से बच्चे हैं क्लास में, ठीक है? So I need to ask them also. So please let us control our excitement and let me ask. I can't hear a single girl sound. Not a single girl is saying anything. They are just watching and listening. The crow has changed the second one. I would like to listen this answer from Taru. Taru, are you there? Taru, are you there? Okay. She's in PC, I think so. Okay. All the girls are giving answers in chat box, ma'am. Yes, Taru is there. Taru, just answer me the second answer. The crow has changed the poet's mood by what is the correct answer, Taru? Khushi is giving the answer. I want the answer. Yes, Sonal. Let's wait. Let me see it from Taru. Taru, I want the answer. Yes, Nitika, Nandika, all are correct. Taru. See, Taru is not answering me. Taru, do you know the poem? Mehek. Answer me, beta. Rashi, have I asked you? Yes. Taru is not answering. All the girls are answering, but Taru is not answering. Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Achha, no problem. Fine. Next question. The poet is, you all are correct. Answer is C. The poet is
And
trying
third
to
answer is
suggest.
option A.
The poet is
A small
Option
thing,
A,
big
small thing,
big
big
changes in
Ma'am,
life.
option A.
Small thing
Option
bring
A.
big change in life.
Ma'am, scroll. Ma'am, please
Scroll up.
Ma'am, Robert Frost.
Ma'am, Robert
Robert
Frost.
Frost.
Option A.
Option A.
Robert Frost.
Robert Frost.
Yes, you all don't want to read out. Let me read out the question also. Okay, solve.
alliteration.
Ma'am,
Option A.
alliteration.
My
Option A.
goodness, my goodness.
Has or heart? H से चालू हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Alliteration.
Option A.
One more thing. I have shared one link for that poetic devices. Have you all gone through that?
Yes, ma'am, 20 points.
Ma'am,
Yes,
gone.
ma'am.
We have gone to right. That's why we are.
Able to answer.
That's why we are
right?
able to answer.
Now you all understood
Yes,
what I
ma'am.
have shared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we understood.
Okay. Now next one, right? Next stanza. Money option one.
Robert
Robert
Frost.
Frost.
Robert
Robert
Frost.
Frost. Option B.
Fire.
Second hatred.
He compared
Desire.
fire with
Fire,
hatred.
desire.
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 Option
And
B.
desire,
Desire.
desire.
Children,
मैम
Children,
वीरान सर बहुत हल्ला कर
are
रहे
we
हैं.
studying in class 1?
Viram.
1 के आगे बस 0 लग.
Veera.
Chup.
Veeram.
Quite. First, let me read out, beta. Other students are also there in the class. Right? But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction eyes is also great and would suffice. Now, answer me one by one. I would like to listen it from, no one else will answer. Rishi Golcha. Rishi Golcha. The moment I will ask question, now students answer. You all the students can answer me in the chat box. Rest of the students, they can answer me in the chat box. Correct answer, all are going correct actually. Punya, you're wrong. See, I know whom to ask. Okay. Astha, give me the second answer. Answer me, beta. I want to listen to your sound. Or others also can give me the answer in the chat box. Astha. Astha, are you there? Gone somewhere. Arpit? Arpit, are you there? Arpit, are you there, beta? Arpit? No, Gitika, you are wrong. Started.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Roy,
ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Roy, ma'am, ask your students to switch on the camera and keep themselves muted.
Yes,
They will
ma'am.
unmute only when you ask them to unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
So that you can see what they are doing. So they're just logging in and going out somewhere.
I'm continuously calling the names, ma'am, but many are not answering me.
I can hear that. I can hear that. And class 10 students, listen carefully. Hereafter, in all the classes, you will switch on your camera, but keep yourself muted. Only when the teacher asks you the question, unmute and answer. Am I clear? Raise your hands. That's it. Is that clear to all of you? Just raise your hands. Yes, better. So switch on the cameras now. All of you switch on the cameras and ma'am, ensure that those who are not there in the camera, put them absent. Mark them absent. They need attendance now.
Yes, ma'am.
Apply this in all the classes, ma'am. In all the online classes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you apply this method. Let them be seen.
Okay, ma'am.
Because they are not acting, they are going somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Switch on your cameras, children. Desktop students, okay, just write in WhatsApp and give it to Vice Principal ma'am. The reason, that's all, nothing else. That ma'am, I'm in PC, that's all. Please switch on your camera, otherwise I will switch it off. It's not a time pass, it's your board examinations. I said switch it on, children. You need to listen to your teachers.
Right.
Ma'am, still they are not switching it on.
Yes, Taru is not there. She cannot hear means she just marked attendance and she is gone. See, now she is coming. Taru. Anmol Jain, yes. Maitri, Astha Goyal.
Ma'am,
Anmol, yes. Maitri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That is what. Yes, all of you switch on the camera. Madam, those who have not switched on the camera, you just note their name and
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
mark them absent.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Samyak is in PC. He is writing me. And 2 more students are in PC. I said that to give it in written to you. Children, I won't be moving ahead, beta. Continuously, I'm asking the questions and you all are not answering me. Keep your cameras on. Khushi, I want your face wherever you are. Mahima.
Molly Lunawat,
Nitika Kochar,
Nikita Kochar. Yes, we can see all that. Gitika Jain,
ma'am, 2 students went, I can see.
10 times. How many times I told now? You better follow instructions, okay? Anmol Jain, Maitri Dagga, Harshita. Madam, mark them absent.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have switched on my camera, but it is, ma'am, not visible.
If you have any issues, please write in the chat box to ma'am. And ma'am, you continue the class.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. Now the next question to Sanskar Doshi. Keep yourself on. The next question for question number 3. What is the meaning of perish? What do you mean by perish? Rest of the students, they will answer me through chat box. I want to hear it from Sanskar Doshi. Sanskar. Sanskar,
Yes,
answer me, beta. Sanskar, answer me.
ma'am, option C.
Option C. Okay. Perish means die. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Yes. Correct. Next question to I again can see Harshita. Harshita,
Yes, ma'am.
I want the 4th answer from you. What would suffice if the world were to perish twice? What would suffice if the world were to perish twice? Did you got my question? Harshita. I can see the faces, those are not switching it on. Beta.